Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to show you the LED notification light option in the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max device, friends, and 9 Pro as well. So stay tuned, friends, by subscribing to my channel, and also do check the links in description for the playlist of what wallpaper I'm using and regarding the playlist of Redmi Note 9 Pro as well. And if you have any query regarding the smartphone, do WhatsApp me to the number given, friends. And you need to send me the screenshot, friends, after subscribing to my channel, and also click the like button as well, friends, and send me the screenshot, and you can ask the query whatever you want, which phone to buy under 10,000 or 20,000. So I'll try to write down the list here, friends, and I'll be trying to make a video as well on that. So separate dedicated list as well, WhatsApp requested videos, so you can see here, friends. And let's get started in this test. And the Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with a LED notification light, friends. That's a very good thing, so which is lacking in the POCO X2 device. Even though there is a LED notification light on the top, but still the POCO software does not allow to use, friends. And luckily in the Redmi Note 9 Pro that's not the case, so there is a LED notification light. So if you go to settings and if you type the LED, you will get this option, notification light, as you can see, friends. So let me plug in the charger and let me show you where is the LED notification. So as you can see, which is very small. So if you notice, the one light is blinking, that's the proximity sensor, friends. So you can see this white notification light, friends, so which is not multicolored notification light. And if you want multicolored, there is another software, friends, where you can use that kind of application. So I did a video on that as well, friends, so stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, and also do check the links in description also if you want to use multicolor LED notification light in any Android device. So even though if you don't have any physical notification light, but still you can use, friends, this kind of applications. So definitely check the links in description. I have kept separate link as well, how to add the LED notification light in any Android phone. So if you click the link, you'll get the clear demonstration, friends, how you can install the application and how it performs. So overall, friends, the Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with the LED notification light, and you no need to install any kind of third-party applications. So that's a very good thing. So but still, it should be multicolor notification, which I am definitely missing in the nowadays smartphones. So before 3-4 years, I used to use some phones, friends, which has a multicolor notification light, so which is very advantage in choosing the colors. For example, WhatsApp green color, Facebook blue color, like that. But nowadays we are not even getting that kind of options. So using the third-party applications might help you, friends. So definitely you can check the links in description. But overall, friends, that's it for this video, friends. And if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using currently, so you can check the links in description as well. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.